Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. As I'm sure you are aware by the title, this is my 3 looks 1 palette video, all using my Juvia's Place products that I bought recently. If you've not seen that whole video or my first impressions video, I'll link them in the comments in the description box down below for you. So yeah, this is look number 3. Without further ado, let's get straight into look number 1, and I shall be back at the end of the video to tell you my overall thoughts and feelings on all the products I've used. Enjoy. Here we are, look number 1, using the Douce palette, all complete. I shall lean in and let you have a look as normal. Front, side, other side. There we go. What do we think? Just to let you know, I did end up going back in with the shimmer, the green shimmer here, and I actually sprayed it to get a little bit more intensity. Also, inner corner highlight today, I decided, I was umming and ahhing and couldn't decide, but I ended up deciding to use a little bit of the silver one here, and again I sprayed that and it came out really nicely. I've also used this shade up here, Tart. I've used it as my cheek highlight, and it's quite blinding. It's very pinky and purpley, but it is really nice, and just to show that you can use eyeshadows as highlighters, ladies and gentlemen. So on my top lids, I've just used my House Laboratories liquid eyeliner in black. And top lashes today, NYX on the Rise. Bottom lashes, the Ico London Black Magic. In my waterline today, I've used Fastlane, the Dark Forest Green by Colourpop. And then on my lips, I've used the new Lord & Berry lip crayon that I received in one of my subscription boxes in the shade Soul. It's a little bit, I don't know, it's a little bit pale and a little bit not quite my colour, but I think goes really well with this look. So let me know what you think to it, and let's get into look number 2. Here we are, everybody, look number 2 all done. I shall lean in for you as normal so you can get a closer look. In the front, at the side, and at the other side. As you can see, I haven't exactly put any liner on my top lid today because I've used this blue shimmer, dark blue turquoisey shimmer, and I've brought it down and used it as a liner as well. Mascara today, top lashes, dead boring, NYX on the Rise, bottom lashes, the Ico London Black Magic. In my waterline, I've used Zulu from Colourpop, sort of a light turquoisey, greeny blue aqua colour. And then on my lips, I've used the Mina metallic lipstick from Juvia's Place, and I've paired that with my NYX Submersive Socialite lip pencil. It's a dark darker lip pencil there, and obviously there's your lipstick. And there we go. Bit of a fun, colourful look, a little bit out there, a little bit wacky, but yeah, I quite like it. Anyway, let me know what you think, and we'll get on to look number 3. Look number 3 all done. I will lean in a little closer as usual so you can get a good look. So from the front, from the side, and from the other side. So as you saw, I used one of the eyeshadows as an eyeliner today, so nothing extra on the top lids. Mascaras as normal, NYX on the eyes on the top lashes, Ico London Black Magic on the bottom lashes. In the waterline today, I've used Honeydew by Colourpop, and on my lips, I wanted to go for that bright red colour, so I've used my Lodenberry. This is in the shade Devil Red. I absolutely love these Lodenberry lip crayons. They're so easy to use, glide on really nicely, really soft, smooth, easy to wear, so long lasting. so long lasting. And just a little point just to point out, what I did do on the corners here of the eyes, after I'd stamped down this reddy colour, I then went in with just a blending brush with nothing on it, and literally just very, very gently blended down and up just to soften the lines there, like that. So, overall thoughts and feelings on Juvia's Place. To be perfectly honest, they haven't altered since my first impression. I have so enjoyed doing these looks for you. There are literally hundreds more I could do, but in order to be able to get this video up and edited and uploaded for you, I have to stop somewhere, don't I? The mattes are amazing. They go on, even this yellow, which I sort of seen that the yellow wasn't the best, went on really well. Blended in nicely, and the shimmers. I haven't tried going over a glitter glue. That's the one thing I haven't done in this video. But I'm sure it'd be wow, because the shimmers in particular is such an awesome formula. You can go on with it dry and it still is there. It's opaque, it's metallic, it's foiled, it's, yeah, buildable. Just everything about these products and this formula is amazing. The foundation I am loving. What I have been doing is I've been putting some of the concealer on the back of my hand, then putting just a tiny drop of the actual foundation on top, mixing it in with my brush and then applying it, and that way it's working fine. The feel of it is lovely on the skin. It dries down. When it dries down quite powdery, so you don't have to go in with a setting powder over the top if you don't want to. Yeah, the liquid lipsticks glide on really nicely. They're extremely comfortable to wear. Yes, they dry down, but they're not overly drying on the lips. They lasted all day. Very impressed. Overall thoughts and feelings on Juvia's Place is very impressed, ladies and gentlemen. I highly recommend you go out there and give them a go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. It always does help me out and gives me an idea of what you're enjoying and what you're not, etc. If you are new to my channel, the warmest of welcomes. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for watching, everybody. As always, if you're not already subscribed, I'd hope you'd think, yeah, all right, I'll fancy checking out a bit more of this content. So hit that subscribe button down below, or the little icon with my face in it, which will appear here shortly. Make sure your notification bell is turned on to all. That way you will be notified every time I upload a video, which is about 3 or 4 times a week. Sometimes I do throw in an extra one in there for you. And anyway, enjoy the rest of your day, everybody, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.